Struggling to stay consistent on Twitter, running out of ideas, or simply don't have time to write tweet every single day. But what if AI could generate high quality tweets for you automatically while you focus on growing your business? Yes, it's possible by using Pabbly Connect. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can let AI write your tweets on autopilot. Means you don't have to search for the content and write it manually because AI is going to do it for you so that you can focus on growth of your business instead of writing tweets manually. So now I'm going to show you how you can set up a smart automation for writing tweets automatically. From engaging hooks to value-packed threads, everything can be generated and ready to post without manual efforts. So whether you are a creator, entrepreneur or marketer, this system will help you stay consistent, save hours of work and grow faster. So let's build your automated Twitter content machine by using Pabbly Connect. So right on my screen you can see I have already built in this automation by using which I'm going to generate automated content for my Twitter. And now let me show you how this is going to be created. But before that, let's see the real-time working of this automation so that you can understand its impact and working for your business too. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet where I'm going to add the title and the description of my Twitter tweet. And as I will enter the title and the description, an automated tweet will be generated over my Twitter account. So now let's add the title. So here I have added the title, that is where technology meets simplicity. Now let's add the description. So here I have provided the description of my post. Now let's move on towards my Twitter account to check whether a tweet is generated with the same title or not. So here I'm landed to my Twitter account where I'm going to refresh this page, and here you can see an automated content is generated and I don't have to manually write anything except title and the description for which I want to get my tweet. And here an automated content is generated by using Pabbly Connect. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too, and for that you have to access Pabbly Connect. And if you like this automation and want to buy any of our Pabbly product, then I have bought an amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this coupon code STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy discounts on yearly and lifetime access plans of Pabbly. So if you are interested in our Pabbly products, then make sure to use this coupon code STUYT and get heavy discounts and grow your business with us. And now for creating this automation you have to access Pabbly Connect. So open the new tab and type its URL, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will get two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user then you can simply select this sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect then you get 100 free tasks every month for practicing and using Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user like me then you can just click over this sign in, and once you sign up your account you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page where I'm going to access this Pabbly Connect app as I'm going to create an integration. And here we are landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Connect where you can see these are the folders I have created, where I have created many automations by using different applications. Now if you want to create your own folder then you can just click over this create a new folder button, and here you have to provide the folder name and you can even select the parent folder for better organization. And now at last you simply have to click over this create button, and now I'm going to create a workflow. So for that we just have to click over this create workflow button, and here we are getting two options, that is create from scratch and create using AI. So if you want to create your workflow from scratch then you can select this option of create from scratch, and if you want to take the help of AI for creating your workflow then you can select this option of create using AI. But I'm going to create my workflow from scratch, so here I'm going to select it, and now we are getting this option for selecting the workflow builder. So here we are getting two workflow builder, that is beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible, and another workflow builder we are getting is classic, which will provide you stable and familiar approach. So here I'm going to use this newly launched workflow builder beta. So for that you simply have to click over this select button, and here we are getting this dialog box which is asking me to enter my workflow name. So now let's provide a name to my workflow here. So here I'm providing it the name, let AI write your tweets on autopilot, and here I'm going to select my folder as automation. Now let's click over this create button, and here we are landed to our workflow page where you might observe this option of adding the trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is our first application or the application which is going to initiate our workflow. So in this case, I want to initiate my workflow as soon as I will add a new title and the description in my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my trigger app as Google Sheet. So now let's click over this add trigger button, and here we are getting our application that is Google Sheets, which I'm going to select. And now I'm going to select my app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are getting this webhook URL with the steps for pasting this webhook URL. So this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect for building the connection. So now let's copy this webhook URL, and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet, from where I'm going to fetch the title and the description for my tweet. So here I'm landed to my Google Sheet, where you just have to go towards the extensions, and here you have to select the add-ons, and on the add-ons you have to select this get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you have to search for the app that is Pabbly Connect webhook. And here you can see we are getting this app which is already installed, so make sure to firstly install this app, and afterwards again you have to go to the extensions, and here you will see this Pabbly Connect webhooks app, where you have to select this initial setup, and you will be getting the initial setup dialog box. And here it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have recently received from a Pabbly Connect, and it is asking me to enter the trigger column. So here I'm going to enter my trigger column as B, as this is the last data column of my Google Sheet, as I want to get all the response of my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to enter it as B. Now we just have to click over the submit button, and here you can see we are receiving this message that is setup configured successfully. Means our connection is built in. Now we just have to send the test data to the Pabbly Connect. As you can see, our Pabbly Connect is waiting for the webhook response. Now for providing the webhook response, we have to do that as submission. Means we have to make a new entry of the title and the description. So now let's enter it. So here I have entered the title as make time for what truly matters, and now let's add the description. So here I have added the description as well. Now we just have to send this test data. So again we have to select this Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here we just have to click over the send test given on the initial setup dialog box, and here we are receiving this message that is test data sent successfully. Now let's move on towards our Pabbly Connect to check whether my Pabbly Connect is fetching the data or not. So here you can see 6 seconds ago I have received this response, that is response A, with the same title which I have recently entered over my Google Sheet, and here you can see the description which I have recently entered over my sheet. And as we have received the response, one more task is remaining, that you have to go to the Google Sheet again, and here I'm going to just select this extensions again and the Pabbly Connect webhooks, and here I'm going to enable this send on event so that I don't have to send the test data or my Google Sheet data again and again to Pabbly Connect. The data will automatically fetch by Pabbly Connect as I have enabled the send on event, and here you can see it is successfully enabled. Now let's move on towards our Pabbly Connect. And now this shows that we have successfully integrated our trigger app, and as we have received the response, I'm going to generate an automated tweet by using OpenAI. So for that we have to add our action app, or the first action app, that is OpenAI. So now we just have to click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for my first action app, that is OpenAI, and here we are getting this application. So I'm going to select it, and now I'm going to select my app event as ChatGPT. Now let's click over this connect button, and here we are landed to the connection page, where if you want to go through your existing connection, then you have to select this button of existing connection, and for building a new connection you have to click over this add new connection button, and here it is asking me to enter the token. So for getting this API token, you have to visit this OpenAI APIs key page given on the help desk, and here we are landed to this OpenAI APIs key page, where you can see this option of create new secret key, which you have to select, and here you have to provide the name and the project name, and just click over this create secret key button, and your API key or API token will be created. But for now I already have my API key which I am going to paste over Pabbly Connect. So here I am going to enter my API token. Now let's click over the save button, and here our connection has been built in, and we are getting these fields. So the first field we are getting is for selecting the AI model. So from here I am going to select my model as GPT-4o. So here I have selected it, and now it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here I am going to enter the prompt or the instruction which I am going to provide to my ChatGPT or OpenAI for generating the tweet, and that prompt consists of the rules or the instructions for generating the content. So here I'm going to enter the prompt. So here I have entered the prompt, and after this word title and the description, I'm going to map the title and the description which I have recently added in my Google Sheet. Now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type the title and the description, but no, I'm going to perform mapping. Now you might be thinking, what is this mapping? So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map the title and the description from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application. And the process of mapping is simple. You just have to select the field which you want to map, and you have to select the slash symbol, and you will be getting all your previous application. And here I'm getting my previous application, that is Google Sheets, from where I'm going to map the title of my tweet. So here I'm going to map it, and afterwards I'm going to map the description which I have received in the response of my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to map it. So here I'm getting the description which I'm going to map. So these fields are dynamic, means you don't have to change the title and the description as you will add in the Google Sheet. The response will be automatically replaced as a new response will be arrived in the Google Sheet. And now with this we have successfully provided the prompt. Now we just have to click over the save and send test request button, and here you can see we are receiving a positive response, and here we are receiving the content generated by my OpenAI, and here you can see the content of the tweet which we are going to add in our Twitter account. And you can modify the generated content by providing the instructions or the prompt. And now we have successfully generated the tweet, so I'm going to add it to my Twitter account. So for that I'm going to use my second action app, that is Twitter. So now let's click over this add new action step button, and here I'm going to search for my second action app, that is Twitter. And here we are getting this application, that is X, formerly Twitter. Now I'm going to select my app event, that is create tweet. Now let's click over this connect button, and here for building a new connection you have to click over this connect with X, formerly Twitter button. And here it is asking me to enter the client ID and the client secret. So for getting this client ID and client secret you have to visit the documentation given on the help text, and here you can see this is the documentation containing the steps for generating your client ID and client secret. And here we are getting this hyperlink, that is developer.twitter.com. So here I'm going to just select it, and here I'm landed to my developers page where you have to select the project and apps created in your Twitter account. And here we are landed to this page where I'm going to just select this keys and tokens, and here you can see I'm getting the client ID and the client secret. So I'm going to copy this client ID and paste over the Pabbly Connect for building the connection. And now I'm going to generate my client secret. So I'm going to just click over this regenerate, and here we are getting this client secret which I'm going to paste over my Pabbly Connect. And now with this we have successfully got our client ID and client secret. So now let's click over the save button, and here I'm going to authorize my Twitter account. So I'm going to just click over this authorize app as my data is saved with Pabbly. And here our connection has been built in so smoothly, and we are getting this first field for entering the message. So here I'm going to enter the content which I have recently generated by using ChatGPT or OpenAI. So now we just have to map it from the response. So here I'm getting both my previous applications. So from the response of OpenAI I'm going to map the content. So here I have mapped it, and now we just have to click over the save and send test request button as these fields are not necessary. And here we are receiving a positive response which demonstrates that a tweet might be created in our Twitter account. So now let's move on towards my Twitter account and check it. So here I'm landed to my Twitter account where I'm going to refresh this page, and here you can see I'm successfully receiving this response which I have recently generated by my OpenAI, and you can modify it according to you. So now you have seen an amazing automation which is automatically generating the tweet for your Twitter account. So now you can also create this amazing automation for your own business too, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section. And if you're planning to buy any of our Pabbly product, then don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. And if this video feels really helpful, then hit the like and subscribe button. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this automation, you can build many more integrations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can post it over the forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Connect for free now.